Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about the 0xc0000034 error, which is another Windows blue screen error that gives a lot of people sleepless nights. But today, you're going to learn how to fix this error once and for all. So if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a like, as it's very important for the channel, okay? The first thing you need to do is to get to the Windows recovery screen. To get to this screen, turn on your computer and press one of these keys several times. F8, F9, F10, F11, F12, Shift plus F11, Shift plus F12, or just Shift. This should open the Windows recovery screen. When you get to the Windows recovery screen, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then System Restore. A screen should appear, and on it should be a restore point, usually created by you or by Windows itself. Select a point with a date before the problem occurred and click Next. On the next screen, click Finish, and then just wait, as this process can take quite a while. If it doesn't work, you'll need to access the command prompt. To get to it, you'll do the same process to get to the Windows recovery screen. When you get there, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. If it asks for a password, enter the password you use when you turn on your computer, or if you don't use a password, just press Enter. In the command prompt, type the following commands. Note 1, make sure you're in the System32 directory. Attention! The commands highlighted below must be typed on the same line. If they do not appear on a single line here on the screen, just put a space and continue typing whatever is on the line below. Let's go. bootrec/fixmbr, enter. bootrec/fixboot, enter. bcdedit/export c:\backup, enter. attrib/boot/bcdhrs, enter. rin c:\boot/bcd/bcd.old, enter. bootrec/rebuild bcd, enter. Exit, enter. Note 2, if a message appears asking if you want to add the installation to the boot list, you should type Y or S, without quotes, and then exit. If no question appears, just type exit as shown above. If it still doesn't work, you can try this other option in the command prompt. enter. cd:/windows/system32/config, enter. md backup, enter. Copy ***backup, enter. md backup 1, enter. Copy ***backup 1, enter. cd regback, enter. dir, enter. Copy ***, enter. All, enter. Exit, enter. If it still doesn't work, you can try the command chkdskc:/f, where C symbolizes your disk drive. So, did you find this helpful? If so, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and of course, comment if it worked for you, okay? Share this video with all your friends so we can help more people and the channel can grow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Big hug. Take care and see you in the next video.